Microsoft defends $68.7 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard at EU competition hearing, stating the deal will offer more choice to gamers. However, Sony argues that the acquisition would grant Microsoft too much control over popular games. Microsoft's president, Brad Smith, denied concerns that Call of Duty games would become restricted to Xbox users. Microsoft's partnership with chip designer NVIDIA would make both Xbox and Activision Blizzard titles available through NVIDIA's cloud streaming platform. Microsoft must convince global regulators that the acquisition would not harm competitors, with today marking the final chance to present its case in Europe.